Meaning of financial aid.
Financial aid.
Financial aid.
Financial aid.
Financial aid. Financial aid refers to any form of monetary assistance given to individuals or organizations in need of financial support. This aid can be in the form of grants, loans, scholarships, work-study programs, or institutional aid. Financial aid is intended to help students pay for their education when they and their families can't afford it on their own. It is also given to those who are facing financial hardship due to a medical condition, job loss, or other factors. Ultimately, financial aid helps people overcome financial barriers and achieve their goals.